This video, I'm going to show you on how you can use ClickUp for CRM. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you can go to your left panel right here, click on Create, and from here, you can create a new project for your CRM task. But I have an easier option for you. We're going to use ClickUp templates. So click right here. And then from the search node, simply type in CRM. After typing that, you would see a lot of the templates provided by ClickUp for this certain task, like Account Hub, Account Management, Account Planning, All Hands Meeting, Bonus Matrix, and Brand Management. All of this is under Sales and CRM. If, if you even click right here, you can see a lot more. So simply choose one that fits your needs. Let's say this, for example, use the template and then put in the folder name that you want to use. Where would it be located? So choose one. As for the import options, choose whether to import everything or customize import items. And for the start and due dates, you can import as is or remap the dates. Finally, you can include the archive task or not. After that, use template. Give ClickUp a few minutes for it to add this brand new template that you've chosen right here on your left panel. Once it's done, it should open automatically. So let's give it some time. Okay, it should open soon. And here we go. As you can see, this is the CRM template that we just chose earlier. From here, we now have full access for us to use the CRM, edit some of the tasks, add some of the boards right here, and even add some new views that we can use for our project management. And that's it. So if you want to support the channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.